Thutha wake gwikio ngono muthenya wa ira ndagika nini thutha wa kuma cikaro-ini cia mbunge ya bururi, riuma ihinda ria mumbunge wa Starehe Charles Njagua gukinyio bao-ini gucokia thitango cira-ini uria mugumeire wa kwenda onjoria kuma mabururi ma nanja mahamurithio guku bururi-ini.
Given me quite a bit to consider.
Igoti-ini mwena wa thitango ukihoya thikũ 14 makiria cia kurekererio uthuthuria kuri mumbunge uyu, ona gutuika mucirithania Sinkian Tobiko ndanatua kana mwena uyu ni ukuheo ihinda riri itua riri akibanga gukarirekereria muthenya wa ruciu.
There was no chaos. They told you that when he's detained there'll be chaos. All these people in court will cause commotions. Nothing like that happened at Kileleshwa. So that even if this application was out of good faith, they should have told you, yes, we need 14 days, which obviously is unusual. But again, Your Honor, it is important for you to note that Kamukunji, where they want him to go, is actually the heartbeat of where people have been affected by this statement.
Kurumirira ikinya riri, Njagua kumenyekana ni agetika thitango na athomerwo mahitia gukaringana na itua ria muthenya wa ruciu ria kana mwena wa thitango ni ukuongerwo ihinda ria ruhoete na kungituika ni ukaimwo ihoya riri. Ihoya ria mumbunge uria kurekerio na mbondi ni rigathikiririo na thutha ucio ahingurirwo thitango cia gucogera ngui. Maya makihanikaga, Minister wa Ugitiri wa Thiini Fred Matiang'i ni arutire atongoria mukana wa gutuhukaga miario ta ya mumbunge uyu iria ngicogera ngui kana kurehe rumena gatagati ka mabururi.
Kama kuna jambo, sisi ni nchi ambayo tumebarikiwa na Mwenyezi Mungu. Tuna serikali. We have a government. We are not a disorganized banana society. You have so many avenues of sorting these things out.
Oho Matiang'i akienda Njagua gucungira Kenya undu mwe na mabururi turigainie muhera niwe gukorwo arehete wari mwari gatagati ka onjoria mabururi-ini ma Afrika ya irathiro.
Hatuwezi tena sisi kama viongozi kuzungumza maneno kama yale ambayo yalikuwa yanazungumziwa na mwenzenu wakati ule. Hata kama mheshimiwa umeniambia niregeze, wewe tutafikiria, lakini hapana, kwa sababu lazima tuhakikishe kwamba tunalinda wananchi. Sababu mtu mwingine naye akisikia hivyo ase kusukuma Wakenya mahali wanafanya biashara, itatuletea shida.
Mwena wa nyama kimago ku Nairobi, gikundi kia onjoria gikirurungana kunyita mbaru miario ya mumbunge uyu ya kwenda onjoria mabururi ma nanja makiria ria bururi wa China kweherio mabiacara-ini mao manini amu ni maramathukiria biacara ciao. Handu-ini Akamenya TV, Kama wa Mwangi.